Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change account location in Roblox. So let's begin. Now first of all, you have to log into your Roblox account and then click on the gear icon on the upper right corner. From here, click on settings. After that, in your account info, scroll down and you will find your account location. As you can see, this is my account location and there is no drop down menu on my account location. Usually you're able to change the location from the drop down menu. However, since I'm not able to change, I will need additional help. So let's scroll all the way down and then you will find help button right over here. Click on this one. Now from here in the search option, click here. Type down location and then you will find an option called account location. Click on this one. Now as you can see, we are in the account location option and now we have the option how do I change account location. So you need to contact Roblox support through support form. So let's click on this. Now in the support form, you need to enter your username and then your first name and then make sure to enter your email address and then confirm your email address. After that, you need to select which device you're having problem on. So I'm going to select PC here as I'm using PC. Then you need to select type help category. So click here and then select how to. After that, select a subcategory type. From here, select change my location. And then you need to describe your issue. So in this box, we will write down our message to the support team. So you can copy this message and set your location accordingly. As you can see, I have 2 locations set. So you can also copy this message, but make sure that you are using your locations that you're facing problem with. And then you can click on continue. After that, the support team will reach you out after some time and then they will look into your issue. So that's how you can change your location in Roblox. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.